Hi, welcome back to another video on the All Day Britney channel. Today's video is all about styling your favorite black midi dresses for summer. Yes, you can wear black in summer, but there are a few styling tips to keep in mind. And so that's what we're going to go over today in today's video, styling tips, and then some really cute summer black dress outfit ideas. So if any of that sounds like your jam, keep watching. Okay, all right, so story time. Last summer, I did a very short stint working at JCPenney. And it was a really, really fun job, actually. I really enjoyed it. But anyway, our dress code was all black. And so I went out and bought a bunch of summery, like black dresses, because of course, heading into the summer season. And then when that job, went away, I had all of these black dresses that I had to figure out how to work into I'm sorry, I just realized I was sitting all hunched over, so I'm gonna sit up straight. But I had to figure out how to work all of those dresses into my kind of, summer style repertoire, whatever. So I picked up a couple of tips along the way, and so today I am sharing those tips with you all. So yes, you can wear black in the summer. You can wear your favorite black dresses now. Number one, the thing you want to keep an eye on is your sleeve length. I would recommend you go sleeveless, like bandeau style, or a spaghetti strap or something like that, or just short sleeves like what I have on right now. So I would definitely recommend save the quarter length sleeves. My goodness, say that like 5 times fast. Save the quarter length sleeves for fall and winter. Don't do that right now. The other thing that you want to keep in mind, of course, you want to have a nice lightweight breathable fabric. So nothing too heavy. I wouldn't focus too much on like knits or anything like that. So, something that is going to move with you and then give you, I was going to say give you the space that you need, but that doesn't make any sense. Something that's just going to feel comfortable even when it's like hot and gross and sticky outside. The next thing that you want to, the next styling tip to keep in mind when you're styling a black dress for summer is to pair with natural materials. What do I mean by that? So like straw, like a cute straw hat, or rattan, like rattan sandals or heels. You can even go for like the cork wedges or the cork bags. So anything that kind of is lighter in color, kind of natural, it really kind of brightens up and summerfies a black dress, and so those are really good to pair with that. The other thing that you can do is pair with lighter colored accessories, so bright colors, bright jewelry, a fun bag, maybe a shoe that's like bright and colorful. You can pair with that. Sometimes those are hard, especially when there's like more than one color in the piece. It's hard to match, but black is a perfect blank canvas, so now is a really great opportunity to pair with those things. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the outfit ideas. This is my favorite part of the video. Before we do, I wanna let you know that there is a full blog post that I wrote on this very topic. So the blog post goes into it in just a little bit more detail. And then there's also a shopping guide. So if you already have a black dress and you need some outfit ideas, there are some really cute things to pair it with. And if you don't have a black dress, but you wanna try this look on, there are some really, really cute, budget-friendly, good quality black dresses that I found, and I shared those in the shopping guide. If you want to make sure you don't miss out on the next video, you can also sign up for my mailing list. That will be in the description box. And then for each outfit that we're going to go through, I will have links. It may not be the exact dress because, like I said, a lot of these dresses I got last season, but I did find some really close copies, and then just some really pretty, dresses in general. So I will link, if there is anything that's an exact item, I will link in the description box. And then if you're looking for like inspirational or similar items, I might just put those in the description box too. I feel like that's the easiest thing to do. So I'll just put those in the description box, and then you can head to the blog post, or you can just look at the description box. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying description box. Anyway, on to the outfit ideas, and I'm gonna scooch over because I'm gonna have them, I think I'm gonna have them playing on this side. Okay, so the first outfit is the black and brown combo. I love this combo. I think it's so chic, it's so elevated, it's so simple, and so easy to do. So it's literally just your black dress and then a really nice black leather belt, black sandals, or sorry, what am I talking about? Your black dress, a really nice brown leather belt, brown sandals, and I like to do gold earrings. I can't remember what I have on in this picture, but um, I like to do gold earrings or just like a metal, you know, gold or silver. But really, any jewelry will do for this look. I had a comment on Instagram the other day that actually suggested a straw hat with this outfit, which I think would really set it off. It would be super cute. So thank you, Tiara, for that comment. I love that. Next outfit, layered under a summer weight tee. So I love this. This is the same tank as in the last video, and it's just a simple tank dress, which you can find pretty much anywhere these days, and then layered under a lightweight um, summer summer t-shirt with sneakers. So this is really good. Like if you're going to be outdoors for a while, you're going to be at a barbecue or like a game or something that's kind of like low key. So you know, you're still nice and cool, but just kind of elevated, kind of dressed up, and it just kind of brings, I think, some visual interest to the outfit. So I really love this. And then when you go with a lighter weight tee, a lighter weight dress, even though it's multiple layers, I know we try to limit the layers in the summertime, but I have worn this outfit. I actually live in El Paso. It's the heat of the heat of the heat, the hottest of the hot. I think the high today was like 107, something like that. So I've worn this on very hot days, and I have still been very comfortable because the dress is very lightweight and the t-shirt is as well. So that's something to keep in mind too. And I think this would look just as cute with black sandals. But you know, the sneakers were kind of, for me, what made the look. So I just kind of went with that. Next outfit idea, next way to style your black dress for summer is to just lean into the all black moment. I still think, especially when you're dealing with lighter weight fabrics and sleeveless, I still think an all black moment is chic year round, just kind of depending on how you style it. And here what I did was the short sleeve midi length dress, and then the black crossbody and some really comfortable black sandals from, I think those are from Tom's. I think that particular style is sold out, but I found some really good dupes from another brand, and I will drop those in the description box. So yeah, and I don't know if you can see it in this video, but this is not, I cheated a little bit because this is not technically all black. I did go for a tiny little pop of color on the earrings. There's some bright yellow earrings, so I kind of mixed the outfit ideas, all black with a bright pop of color. That's kind of something fun that I like to do. Sometimes I do like a mismatched shoe or a mismatched, like an unexpected pair of earrings, and I think it just brings some interest to the outfit. It just kind of, you know, shows a little personality and just makes it more fun to look at. All right, so last outfit idea, paired with the Raffia heels. So this is actually the dress that I'm wearing in today's video. It is one of my favorites. I love how this dress moves. It is another lightweight. I'm pretty sure it's like viscose or something like that. I'd have to look at the tag, but it's another lightweight fabric. I love how it moves. It's super flattering, and I especially love the length because I've mentioned in other videos I have 1-year-old twins who still need to be picked up. I'm picking them up. I'm picking up their diaper bags. I'm, you know, constantly bending over, and so this dress is very easy to. It's very feminine. It's very sweet and very chic, but it's also very easy to move how I need to move without having to worry about, you know, showing anywhere in my underwear or anything like that. So for this dress, this is more of a dressed up look. So this would be fun for like a date night or a brunch or something like that. And I just lightened it up a little bit with the Raffia heels. These are super comfortable and really fun to wear. I do not have a bucket bag. It is on, or a basket bag, I think they're called, a basket bag. It is on my, you know, go buy list. I just haven't been able to quite pull the trigger just yet, but if I did, that's what I would pair with this dress as well to kind of like tie it in. You could try a raffia belt or like a woven belt, and I put a couple of those in the blog post, but it would just depend on, because this one, the weight, it's not quite an empire waist, but it's not quite at your natural waist either. So it would just kind of depend on where the waist falls in the dress. But I would definitely recommend trying that with a basket bag, definitely with the heels, and maybe try a belt and see how you like it. And if you do try that, please come back and let me know. Comment on this video or DM me on Instagram and send me a picture because I really want to see. So that is the end of the video. That's all of the outfit ideas. If you have a favorite way to wear black in the summertime, please comment below and let me know so we can all learn from you. And if you want personalized styling tips, like you literally have an outfit and you're like, it needs something more, what does it need? DM me on Instagram for free, and I can help you style it. I love doing that. That's kind of like my bread and butter. I'm, trying to experiment with a few things that work for the blog, and that is one of the pieces of that is the content that you guys seem to love the most, is the style content, and especially when I do style tips. So I'm kind of just trying to elevate that a little bit. So, like I said, you have styling questions, you need outfit ideas, outfit suggestions, any of that. I am your girl. DM me all day Britney on Instagram and let me see if I can help. And if you're still watching, thank you so much. I appreciate you watching the video to the end. It definitely helps the channel. Here are a few other ways that you can support All Day Britney. You can follow me on Instagram, All Day Britney. I will put that link in the description box, and then it's also probably floating around on the screen somewhere. You can subscribe to this channel, the All Day Britney channel, and then that way you'll never miss another video. You can also sign up for my mailing list. So my mailing list, you can sign up for just YouTube videos, and I'll send them straight to your inbox whenever they come out. You can sign up just for blog content, or you can sign up for both. So whatever kind of floats your boat, you can let me know, and that's what I'll send you once a week. And then the last way that you can support is you can send this video if you know a mama who loves style and fashion and self-care and all of that good stuff. You think they might enjoy this video, please share with them. And yeah, that's all I have. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.